Okay, welcome. In this video, there's going to be a lot of excitement. All track time, except for what you're watching right now. I'm taking the 85. I'm following my lady friend in the 2001. And we're going to go to the track. She's going to run novice day. She's going to thrash it. Hopefully she spins, because I think that'd be hilarious. She might not. I don't know. But I'm going to try and convince her to. And my brother will probably find a way to convince her to. Pop quiz. Thank you. Here's a hint. What do you do when your wipers don't work? Baby, got a guess? Rain-X. Rain-X. That's right. One of my absolute best friends of all time. One time we drove all the way to Eastern Washington in like a torrential downpour, and he didn't have wipers, so we would just Rain-X the windshield every time we stopped for gas. Okay, bye. Outstanding. Okay, yes. We're rocking and rolling now. Windshield's Rain-X. Why do I say that so much? Rocking and rolling. Whatever. Anyways. I know. Yeah. Here we go. We're jazzed. Yeah. We're walking the baseline now. That sounds negative. Okay. Well, I got my helmet. I'm still trying to clean the whole thing out. But windshield's Rain-X, so at least I know I'm safe. And she's ready to go. Ready to rock and roll. We got coffee.
Gates opened a minute ago.
Yeah. By the way, we're late to everything. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you there. All right. Oh, hey. Interesting bit of information. On the side of the Rain-X bottle, it says don't apply in under 40-degree temperatures. Connect. Boop. Coolant's at 39 degrees. Okay. All right. Paige already left, so now we're just racing to get there and hopefully, you know, not be too super late. Oh, okay. Catch you guys on the flip side. Update. It's been 45 seconds. I've tipped over my coffee and leaked it into the passenger seat, but I remembered the most important aspect of this. Lucky fuzzy dice. These were in my grandpa's 1982 Corvettes, so these disgusting, dirty, white fuzzy dice that he probably picked up at a gas station, I hold sentimental value over. So, yeah. So there you go. If we have some of the SCCA people here teching vehicles, they're gonna be like, ah, no. Where's your dash at? You can't run stock, you ain't got no dash. And to that I say, race cars don't have dashes, sir. Then he says, I don't care, you don't get to race. And I'm gonna be like, dang it, okay, I'll go fix it. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay, good news. Made it. Made it. And I didn't die, and it didn't explode. So that's sweet. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, you excited?
Cold as balls.
It's cold.
I don't have hands anymore.
No more hands?
Nope.
That's okay, you don't need those. Just your feet. We're about to go through tech. This thing is gonna pass with flying colors, unlike the 85 probably will. But then we're gonna pull into grid and see, oh. So that's like the same exact car, just a Z06. So it makes like an extra like 50 horse, and then it has upgraded brakes and cooler wheels.
Hello, people.
So
That's how I race. A little bit sideways.
yeah.
Crazy.
Absolutely. I can attest to that firsthand.
Okay, we have a non-optional slalom going to the right-hand side first. Left, right, left, and then the fifth cone in the slalom is offset to the right, which forces you to go right. Further right.
Are you guys ready?
Don't tell anyone that I'm driving a Porsche. I want it to be super funny.
So this is Paige's, this is like her 5th lap or so. But my brother's here to help instruct because he's a better driver than me. So so this is Paige's 1st lap. She's learned the course. This is her 1st lap of the 2nd session, and
one of the things that really disappoints
it's good.
most about
Very good.
autocross is this transition time where
We can't talk crap about Casey because I'll have it on video. I don't think it needs to be going right now.
If you want to, just see how it's going to respond at the start line. Like, floor it.
Floor it?
Floor it?
Floor it?
SpongeBob.
Floor it? This is my big toe comes out of my shoe.
This is like my favorite episode. I love that so much. Floor it? No! SpongeBob, no! Yeah, just try and do a burnout. Once you start to feel it slip, just back off throttle so you don't like spin into the ditch, because that'll happen.
Okay, I've never done a burnout before.
Okay.
So I guess this is the place to do it.
Yes. And you felt what it was like when I did it.
Yeah.
I hit the gas and the wheel started spinning, but I wasn't going anywhere, so I backed off throttle until it caught traction and went.
But not like jump off the throttle, like a little bit slower.
Just eased off it
Ease off it.
until it started to go.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, one other thing. I've noticed that now that you're kind of getting into a groove, you're getting more comfortable in the car, you're starting to shuffle your hands. Yeah, try to keep your hands at 10 and 2, because this is about all of the turn you should do.
Okay.
If you have to turn more than that, then you're probably doing something wrong. Hey, I thought you were going to do a burnout.
I panicked. I don't know if you know anything about me, but I do that a lot.
Very nice, very smooth. Go wider there, though. Sorry. And go wide. Brake now. Turn. Alright, perfect. Stay in it and brake now. Let off. Perfect. Get on it. Go wide. Brake now. Okay. So we're going to have to brake a little bit earlier, too.
Okay.
Brake. Go. Good. Third cone. Third cone. Inside. And then perfect. Remember to keep your hands planted. Oh. Perfect. Wide. That way. That way. Aim at that one. Brake hard now. Let off. All right. Roll on throttle. 78.4.
Oh,
Nice,
fuck yeah.
nice little drift at the end. You did that perfect too, by the way. When it stepped out, you had the perfect amount of counter steer. I'm really impressed with Casey's car.
Yeah?
I wasn't expecting it to do as well as it did. Because,
Exciting.
yeah. She's a little rough around the edges.
So to do a burnout, I just like slam my foot on the gas.
There's a couple different ways. But yes, if you just punch it,
Just punch it.
it will burn out.
Just to the floor.
Yes.
Cool. Casey better pay attention or we're gonna beat him.
If you do a burnout, then you will be like, nice. But continue going faster.
Oh, fuck.
Nice. Go wide. Okay, cut in. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Alright, brake now. Now turn. Alright, get on it. Okay, brake now. Turn. Nicely done. Just like that. Alright, get on it. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Brake now. Okay, good. Too hard. You turn too hard.
Oh, shit.
Sorry. It's good. Nice. Stop shuffle steering.
Ah.
Third one. Third one. Nice. Nice. Yep, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Perfect. You ran over that cone though.
Oh, fuck that cone.
Alright. Get on the gas a little bit.
Fuck.
Hold that one back. Just brake. Sorry. Yeah, you guys need new tires on the front of this. '76.
Ooh.
Alright. Just remember to continue to be smooth and don't shuffle steer. And I'll give you some.
Biggest thing is, like, yeah, shuffle steering.
Yep. Every cone you've hit has been on the right side. Way better. Perfect. Just like that. Yeah. Go wide. You can get on the gas a little bit too. Not like hard on, but go wide. Brake here. Turn. Nice. Roll on just a little. Brake. And go. Roll on throttle a little. Go ahead and get on her. Come wide and cut over. Brake here. Brake, 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 brake. Left. Alright. Too aggressive on the steering wheel. Go a little smoother. Brake now. Turn in. Perfect. Whoa, nice. Nice save. Third. The third cone. Alright. Perfect. Yep, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Just like that. Perfect. Nice. Left. Oh. Oh, you just ran over the cone. Okay, back. Oh, you didn't hit the brakes. Sorry. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Go ahead and just punch it. 77. So you picked up another second.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Actually, you got a 76 last time.
Oh, did I? Oh.
But this one was clean.
Did have a total. Clean run 77572.
So that was perfect. So that was a clean run with no cones,
Perfect.
which means that was probably your fastest.
Is this the last one?
Next to finish is.
I guess that was your last one. I thought you had one more.
I also thought I had one more. Oh,
All right, we're rocking and rolling. I keep doing that. I keep opening with rocking and rolling. Babe, you're supposed to be able to be in here too. Come
no,
here.
I'm fine.
Yeah, no, you're good. She ran and she did awesome. My brother rode with her the whole time basically and gave her a bunch of good pointers. And I'm about to take this thing for a fun run and see what it wants to do. So it's gonna be a horrible outro, but that was a blast. That was so much fun. My girlfriend did absolutely amazing. She was driving the hell out of that car and like actually getting it sideways and using full throttle and really actually digging in on that car. And yeah, that was epic. And then I got to run this thing and it ran way better than I thought it would. Got a pretty decent time. My brother got a really good time. And it kind of restored all my faith in this vehicle. and there wasn't really a tremendous amount at the time. So yeah, hopefully this thing does well tomorrow, or slash the next video, and I will catch you guys next time. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I like chatting with you guys in the comments. Any questions or helpful criticisms, and yeah, I appreciate it. So thank you very much, and race on, racers. Or, you know, just have a good night. Yeah, I like that. Just have a good night.